So hi everyone, my name is Jeremy and I'm going to talk to you about why my wife and I decided to take this keto journey together. We just had our second child about 2 years ago, and since the pregnancy my wife has been struggling to lose weight. And as a loving husband, I want to support her in every way that I can. So we did some research together to see what was the best solution to achieve weight loss in a healthy way and maintain that weight loss. So we heard a lot about keto. It's everywhere you go. It's in the magazines, it's all over TV. So it's got huge popularity. And so we wanted to see how it would work for us. So there's a lot of plans out there, but the one that really appealed to us is called the Custom Keto Diet. So let's take that journey. All right, now from the start, we're going to put in my wife's information. That's going to be her age, her height, weight, her goal weight, and then the type of food that she likes to eat. So I'm going to set my camera and clip it in here, and then we can do it over the shoulder on this. All right. Okay. In just a moment, I'll bring this up. Okay. All right. So this is the Custom Keto Diet site, and this one allows me to basically generate a plan on this. So, okay, so this is the first thing that you'll see here. And of course, female. Then we'll go into her daily activity level. So she works a lot, but somewhat active with walking, and that will be a somewhat active daily lifestyle. And then the type of meat that she likes to eat, and she likes to eat chicken. And then as you see, I click on this, and then a little green check mark with a circle around it shows up. So that tells you that it accurately checked the type of meats that you want. And if you're vegetarian, boom, hit the no meat. Now I'm going to hit the next button, and that takes me to the veggies that she likes. And we've definitely incorporated all except zucchini. So I'm going to click these and have the computer generate and lock in those veggies. I'm going to hit next. Now I'm going to go to the additional food, which we do eat on a daily basis. And what's going to be awesome about this is it's going to create a tailored meal plan that has all of these favorites in it. And every now and then we have coconut here. So you get to see the green check marks. Now I'm going to hit next. Then we get to type in her information, which not that long yet. And then 5'4", and her weight, and then her target weight. All right. Then we go into, we hit the continue button. And if you're used to metric or you're overseas, metric, but we're going to stick with imperial. Continue. Now, pretty easy. You can click right there for your meal plan, but just as a summary, it shows daily calorie intake range that you need to be in. It also shows fats that you need to eat, that type of range, the daily protein, carbs, your water intake, BMI, along with just a summary of what you selected right there. And then achievable daily weight goal of that. Then it shows some pictures of some before and after of what people have done on this diet. So there's a kind of some inspiration right there. Then it goes in, you click here for your daily meal plan. And then the system calculates the plan for you. That plan gives you a custom meal plan each day of the week. And these meals not only look delicious, they are delicious. Just let me tell you, they come with an easy recipe to follow as well. And that's one of the main reasons why this particular program appeals to us so much. So you want to feel good and satisfied as you take your weight loss journey. You don't want to starve and eat the same repetitive stuff over and over again. That just gets boring. So I also like to say, for us, we got 2 kids. My wife's a hardworking businesswoman with little time to work out. So I want to support her every way that I can by taking this keto journey with her. Now, a quick disclaimer, I'm only sharing our experience, so please consult your physician before you start making any weight loss choices and choosing any weight loss programs, just to see what's best for you. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, my wife and I are excited to get on our journey, excited to get started on this program. And so we're going to become gourmet chefs over the next several weeks, however long it takes, and make some delicious keto meals and document my wife's progress as we go. So if you want to take this journey with us, stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. And if you want to find out any more information on the Custom Keto Diet, please click the link below. And we hope to see you all tomorrow.